Okay, last day off. Go to work tomorrow. It's been a good 2 weeks off. As you can see, we got some pallets in the back of the side-by-side. Now, the idea here with the pallets is we're making I almost said Quack Shack. Not that. We're making a Quack Shack. Wish my drone would do that. Okay, we'll try to get this apart, I guess. You guys remember this? Yeah. Oh, shit. Yep. It's the old bench that was in this shop. It's gonna now provide the 2x4s for the A-frame. Maybe. Well, that's broke down. Yeah, that doesn't feel good. Okay, so they're not all separated yet because we've got some plywood on the back side here. But we'll get there. One, two, oh, and the sun's out again. Amazing. Northern BC, I tell ya. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Unless, of course, it's winter time. And it's probably winter for 6 months. Okay, getting somewhere now, aren't we? Okay. We got 3 2x4s that will be pretty good. We can cut. We'll nail the sheets. OSB down to the pallet we've selected. here's the deal. Oh, almost dropped you. So I got this thing, you know, whatever, right? What I didn't kind of plan for was this distance to this distance is longer than a pallet board. So now I gotta find, I made marks here at 12 inches from here to there, and same on the other side, and I need to get 4 more pieces to act like roof trusses to span the gap of these boards. So we're gonna go on a hunt, see what we can find. Stay tuned. There you go. I found 2 2x6s, so I'll make 4 pieces out of that. That will work for this, and hopefully we'll get this thing done today, because, you know, last day, I gotta go to work tomorrow. damn things are hard to catch. Sorry I caught you, dog. Good ducks. Eh? Okay, you guys chill.